What's up, guys? We got a 2018 Honda Pilot. We're gonna replace the outer tie rod. This is what it looked like. So it comes with the bolt, and there it is. We're using the brand Moog. Part number is, there you go, 801204, ES in the beginning. And it is different right and left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna loosen this bolt up. We're gonna take out this cotter pin here. We're gonna take off this nut here, and then we're gonna count the threads, and we're gonna put the same threads back in. So here goes nothing. So what we need to do first is we need to loosen this baby up. So 22 millimeter, 24 millimeter, whatever fits this guy, and we're gonna just simply just loosen this bolt up. If I'm able to get it from the bottom, get it from the bottom. Okay, there you go. It's loose. Next, we're gonna come face the tie rod on this end. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna remove this cotter pin. It's kind of rusted. That's okay. And my splicer here, cutter here, gets the job done always. We're gonna get an impact gun and we're gonna remove this little guy. So this is 17 millimeter, and this baby comes out. Very simple. Now what we need to do is we need to get on the hammer, and you need to bang this. If you have a fork that takes it off, it's up to you. That won't work. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna use my good old trick. I'm gonna go underneath the chalk. There you go. And after that, I'm gonna come up with the hammer bit. What I like to do here is sometimes this will be stiff. So if you put your wrench on this, it won't move. I want to count the threads on this. Okay. This, I don't know if I got this bolt nut to loose here. Yeah, it is loose. This thing is just jammed up a bit. Okay. So that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Exactly 15. Okay. So, reverse procedure. 1. Okay, I didn't catch the threads yet. Okay, so that is 1 here because I started catching the threads right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and okay, that's the close. 14 and a half. So should be good enough. And if you want to go a little bit more, just spin it a bit and you will get that. And then you spin this thing together with it, and we're gonna take this baby, we're gonna put the nut on, and don't forget the cotter pin. Cotter pin is important, okay? So from here on, we're gonna lock up this bolt. Okay, it's a different size now, so it's a 19 now. We got ourselves a 19 millimeter. Comes 19 millimeter. There you go. And once you're done with that, you do want to put the cotter pin back in. and you do want to bend that cotter pin for safety. So if anything happens, that bolt wants to come loose, this baby is gonna stop it from going any further. Bend it up. Alright, so we're done there, and all we need to do here is make sure you tighten this bolt up, and you cannot leave this loose. Okay, and you're all set and done. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to send me a message down below. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my video. After this, you might want to think about getting alignment. So thank you for watching again. See you guys on the next one.